In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leverage AI to draft your very own book using ChatGPT. Whether you're aiming to craft a gripping fantasy tale or any other genre, this tool can significantly streamline the process, from idea inception to a completed manuscript. Let's dive in and explore this creative journey together. First, fire up your browser and log in to ChatGPT. Once you are ready to embark on this literary adventure, start with a solid foundation. Your book idea. Picture this as the seed from which your entire narrative will grow. For instance, imagine you have a concept for a fantasy novel where a young hero discovers a hidden magical world. This initial spark is crucial because it guides the entire writing process and anchors your narrative in a meaningful context. Next, harness ChatGPT's abilities to create a structured outline. Think of this as your roadmap, sketching the narrative arc across, say, 12 chapters. In this stage, you'll define key events and character arcs, setting a scaffolding that provides both direction and flexibility as you write your story. This outline serves not only as a guide for your plot, but also ensures you maintain momentum and coherence throughout your novel. With your outline in hand, it's time to delve into the details. Take each chapter and expand on it using prompts. For instance, you could start by asking ChatGPT to write the opening chapter, where your protagonist uncovers a mysterious map spanning around 1,500 words. This step transforms your high-level ideas into detailed scenes, breathing life into your narrative and setting the stage for your characters' journeys. As you continue crafting your manuscript, remember that refinement is an integral part of the process. Don't hesitate to use follow-up prompts to fine-tune sections. Perhaps you want to enhance the suspense or infuse more dialogue into Chapter 1. Engage with ChatGPT to rewrite or tweak sections until you're satisfied with the emotional depth and engagement level. Keep building out chapters, each time expanding and enriching the narrative. For instance, perhaps in Chapter 2, your hero meets a key mentor figure. Each chapter development builds upon the last, weaving a tapestry of plot and character that captivates and entertains. Once the draft is complete, shift your focus to editing and polishing your work. Summarize the full draft with ChatGPT and seek suggestions to improve pacing and character development, ensuring your story not only reads well but also resonates emotionally with readers. Finally, after refining your manuscript to its best form, ensure your hard work is preserved. Save or export your book in a suitable format. This step secures your creation, making it ready for sharing with others or for the next stages of publishing. And there you have it. With the assistance of ChatGPT, you've taken an idea from concept to a fully fledged draft. You're now well on your way to seeing your vision become reality. Happy writing!